Why jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly, make bad man. Jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly. Me I wonder if you catch my drift. Your body I'm a Christmas gift.
Good morning, plums. How are you guys doing today? I don't know why it feels so thing. But anyways, how are you guys doing today? It's Thursday, December the 21st, and it's my favorite day. It's Thursday. Thursday at work is payroll day, so I have to do everyone's checks, stuff like that, make everyone's pay and stuff like that. So I like this because it takes time. So that's currently what I'm doing right now. I only have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 people today. Last week it was a little bit more. So yeah, that's currently what I'm doing right now, and I decided I'm gonna come and just say hi to you guys because I realized now I'm starting my vlogs like in the night. So yeah, I need a little bit more content. I didn't even get to finish showing you guys my basket last night. The girls, we were on video chat, so I was not able to come back, and we didn't even go to bed till like after 12 o'clock this morning. Like I woke up minutes to 7, like 6:54. My alarm goes off at 6:55. Like I'm tired, but yeah. Oh god, I need anger management, you guys. I'm really angry at this time in my life. I'm really angry at this time in my life. I have a lot of anger and stuff built up inside of me, and I need to let it go in a good way. So but anyway, my phone is about to die because I've been editing. I just put a Vlogmas day 18. I'm catching up. By tonight I should be back on track. So yeah, and then yeah, 4 more days until Christmas, you guys. Hopefully I get paid today so I can just go finish my Christmas shopping because I'm literally almost done. Hopefully I can do that, and then yeah, I gotta do my boss's gift. I got to cook. I haven't cooked all week, and I need to go to the grocery store because I need to get stuff that I'm making for Christmas dinner, for our potluck Christmas dinner. I have to get the stuff that I'm making, so I need to do that, and I want to do that before it gets even more hectic, although it's super hectic in the stores right now. Like, oh my god. Anyways, I just wanted to come and check in and say good morning to you guys. I hope you guys are having a great start to your day so far. It's Thursday, 1 more day until Christmas break, although I don't really get a break, but I get 3 days off. So and yeah, so I'll check in with you guys a little bit later when I'm finished work and on the road doing whatever it is that I got to do today. So let's see how today goes. But yeah, love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. So I just came to one store. I picked up some makeup products. This goes down. So I'm gonna go to the shoe store now to see if I can get mama shoes. It's the same store that we went to last time, but in a different location, so hopefully they have different options that I can choose from. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I didn't get the thing for mom, right? I didn't get the shoes for mom because they didn't have any. So I'm in Walmart now trying to see if I can get the like some toys for the kids. And I think I got some toys for the kids, but I don't think I'm gonna get, actually I'm not gonna get the basketball set. There's this basketball set that they have, but I'm not gonna get it because one, it's winter, and I feel like the other set, the other thing that I had, he would like better. So I'm gonna get him that, and yeah, I'm gonna get him that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna get him. I left it in one corner. I just wish they had the other stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna get this building blocks thing. They just went to Legoland and loved it. Yeah, I don't know what else. They don't have the other thing that I would have gotten them. I'm gonna try another Walmart and then go back home. And then like end up at the Walmart by me because I seen something that I would have gotten for Lonnie. I just didn't pick it up the last time. So yeah. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna cash out, right? You see him in the black hat and blue jacket. The price will go up, you know, goodie. The price will go up. Can the lady just take out one bag of things? Him buy one razor and him ask the lady how much for when him see the price because that's $60 for one razor. The man that stop shaking head. Oh God, I feel sorry for him. Anyways, this is what I'm at. I got soap and a gift, but I still have one more kit to shop for. But I'm done because the snow's coming down and we're supposed to get 15 centimeters. So I'm gonna go home and wrap what I have. Finish my boss's box, gift basket, and call it a day. Y'all, I'm eating McDonald's tonight for dinner. I am, and it's gonna taste so good in my tummy too. So, yeah. But yeah, that's what's up. I need to get another gift. What's today? Thursday. So I have Friday. I want to be done by Saturday. I don't want to go to the mall Sunday. So we need to hurry up and buy what me I buy. And then Sunday. So just checking in with you guys. That's currently what I'm doing right now. I'm in Walmart's line, about to cash out. Luckily I found a short ass line. So yeah. I'm dying. I got a garbage bag. And this, like, and the amount of stuff that I have in this garbage bag. I'm not done shop yet. Oh God.
Just like when Christmas a come.